Welcome to the Easy channel. Let's start for today with new video. Very simple rule. Just respect traffic light. If you see something wrong, warn another driver.
All doors open right here. I cannot believe this guy's car is even going down the 405 freeway, but he's making it happen here on one wheel apparently. Rather dangerous situation happening here on the 405. Tailgate open. There's no tailgate party going on in sight, but this guy is just letting it all hang loose right now. Front wheel is definitely out. Let's see what this person's smoking. Damn. Damn. What are you doing? Get off the road.
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic. Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
Oh my god!
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
You know, you've had a great year as a short. You have very few years as a short seller to ever make really good money.
I don't wanna die young.
Spectacular, but Marty, I may be hard on the women in traffic. I will say that. I can't remember the time this station put a female voice in the power chair on this station. I think
that's my decision.
Wait, does this tell you what it's saying?
Sorry.
No. You're fine. You're fine. That's not your fault. It's the other, okay?
Oh, that was a bad one.
That was a bad one.
You're fine. There's senior cats there. I was looking up the average age of half cats, and I mean, they can die as early as age 12, and they're already 12. So. So. Come here, Flynn. Come here. Come here,